Previously on Roses and Daggers.
Oh my days. So he married her out of obligations?
Something like that.
And you're not bothered?
That?
I don't know. I mean, the circumstances behind your birth.
My dad gave up an ideal life to be a father to me. And that speaks volumes to me.
Josh,
Mm-hmm.
are you not worried?
About?
The fact that our parents have a big history together with their past.
That's the story. We have ours.
Come with me.
To where?
The engineer wants to see you.
Hey, I didn't do anything, oh. That meat wasn't even for me.
Who owns this place? Where's your family?
I'll be coming down for dinner. Do you want me to order anything for you?
No, I'm fine.
You don't want anything?
Thank you. See you in the morning, okay?
All right. Good night.
Yep. Hey.
Yo, I haven't heard from you.
We just got here 2 hours ago. Sorry, I've been moving around. Just got into the hotel.
You must be tired.
Like crazy.
Okay then, shall we talk in the morning then?
Yeah, I would appreciate that.
Okay, take care.
Yeah, alright. You too. Good night.
Good night.
Olu, meet me right away at the reception. Yes, now.
Hello, boss.
Yeah,
You want to take something from the car?
no. I want you to take me to that young girl's house.
The uncompleted building?
Yes. Will you find a place?
Yes, I can.
Good, let's go.
But excuse me, let me change my slippers.
Hey, it's me. Don't be scared.
Boss!
Hey, Olu, we're fine. Go back to the car.
What are you doing here, engineer? You scared me.
It was you who scared me with that shrill scream of yours.
You can't blame me.
I know, I'm sorry.
What are you doing here?
Come with me.
To where?
You don't have to be scared of me. Come with me.
What if you're going to use me for money rituals? I know rich people like you make their money like that.
Not every rich person. Look, you'll have to learn to trust me.
You have to tell me where you are taking me to. I can't just follow you like that.
I'm taking you to the hotel with me.
What? Oh, you think I'm one of those girls? Because I am poor? You think you can just come and sleep with me like that?
No, it's not.
I will curse you if you don't leave here. I swear it.
Oh, no need to swear. I know you won't.
What are you still doing here? Just leave my house.
Oh. Your house.
Yes. I know it's nothing to you, but it's my house.
Do you own it? Do you own it?
Say, please, go away. I am not that type of girl. I don't want to hit you and then tomorrow you make the manager fire me.
Now, will you keep silent for a second that I may speak? I can't go to bed knowing that you're out here like this. This place is No good for anyone. Much less a lady like yourself.
But this is where I sleep every day. It's okay.
No, it's not. You're coming with me now.
And if I refuse?
Well, then you're gonna force me to fire you tomorrow. Come. Okay, I can help you.
I can walk.
Fair enough. I'll go get your room ready, okay? Everything okay? Alright. Good night. So I'm in room 27. Knock if you need anything, alright?
Okay.
Okay, go take some shower and have a good night's sleep. I'll see you tomorrow morning, right?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Please, I can't do the shower.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Where's your key card?
What?
The small card I gave you.
It's in the room.
Okay, that's the key to your room. You always have it on you, each time you step out.
But I didn't lock the door.
Yeah, the door locks itself when you step out. Okay, anyway, just stay here. I'm gonna get the hotel to come open it, okay?
Girlfriend.
Hi. The guest in room 116 has locked herself out. Would appreciate if you could help open her door. You have the MasterCard, right? Thank you. Okay, thank you very much, boss. Yep, in you go.
The shower.
Oh, okay. What else?
The room is too cold.
Okay, so this is the remote, okay? Now, the higher it goes, the warmer it becomes. So that's the knob. And the lower, the colder. So we're gonna send it a bit warm. There you go. Good? Okay. Which means that you've been up for a while.
I didn't want to disturb you, but the room was too cold.
You could have used the bed sheet.
I would dirty it. It's so clean. I wanted to take my bath first.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, and don't forget your key card, okay?
Hello, handsome.
Hey, sleepyhead.
I missed your call this morning.
Yep. How are you?
I'm fine. Just excited about today.
What's happening today?
I'm meeting up with Anita. Wedding stuff. It's got nothing to do with my groom. Hey, what do you think about ivory and gold?
They are very nice colors, and I like how ivory sounds on my tongue.
Come on, get serious.
Just go ahead and plan. We'll discuss everything when I return.
Okay, baby. I miss you. What time are you coming in the evening?
Most likely, if everything is going according to plan here.
Okay, just get here, okay? I miss fighting with you.
Worry not. Look, I'll be home soon with my boxing gloves.
I know. Take care. I'll see you soon. Be safe.
Thanks.
All right. Breakfast.
Good morning.
You've been jogging?
Yes, for the past 1 month.
And how come I never noticed?
Because someone has been having a lot of sleepovers.
I'll join you next time.
As if that will
promise.
ever happen.
Ah. Mommy,
Yes?
I need to talk to you.
About what?
I'm sorry for the other time. I didn't let you explain yourself.
Don't worry about it. Your first instinct was to support what is right. I don't blame you.
Can we still talk about it? That's if you want to talk about it.
What is there to add to it, Valerie?
I want to know everything. Everything. Please. Okay.
Come on.
So, should we meet in town or you would come here? Okay, that's fine by me. That's fine. Okay, see you then. Okay, see you. Bye. Winnie.
Hey, listen.
What's wrong? Why the secrecy?
I'm trying to keep these from your mother-in-law.
What are these?
Tickets to the movies.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you.
Mm-hmm.
When?
Today, but I know the old lady would just stop you from going, so I'm trying to keep these from her.
It's a shame. I already have plans for today. You should have told me earlier. I have to meet up with Valerie, plan for her wedding and all that.
Oh,
But we can make it some other time.
I see.
Listen, you can renew it. If not, we can get new ones for the three of us.
Well, I was thinking maybe we could go alone. You know, you and I. Just as my way of saying thank you for everything you've done for me.
Come on, it's not needed.
But I want to. I really want to. I've done nothing for you before.
That's fine. If you insist, I'll make time for one of these days.
All right, that'll make me very happy.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'll just bid my time. You are bound to give in one of these days.
Hey! What are you doing here?
Hi.
Hi.
So there's a guest in room 116. She's unable to come to the restaurant. Can you ensure that breakfast is sent to her room?
Of course, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ceci, what are you doing here?
Work.
Did you not listen to the engineer yesterday? Look, you better go home before you cost me my job.
He says he will not sack you
How do you know that?
because he told me yesterday.
He told you that he will not sack me.
No, you don't understand.
Look, would you stop eating and answer me?
Sorry.
Boss, the engineer is here.
I'm coming. Listen, you better not let me find you here when I get back.
He says he will not sack me.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Please, can you direct me to the administration?
Over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry, we are not hiring at the moment.
Madam, please, I am not applying as a medical staff, please.
What are you applying for?
I will do anything. Anything that is available, please. Even if it's cleaning, please, madam.
You are in the university
Yes, madam.
and you want a cleaning job?
As far as it pays. Madam, I need to support my mom pay for my education. Madam, please. I really need a job badly, please.
Didn't the boss ask you to go home?
Will you feed me if I do?
You're trying to get him into trouble, right?
The man says he won't sack me.
Keep arguing with me. Keep exchanging words with me.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
I'd like to show you around here. Yes, boss. So we are actually trying to expand the elevator. Looking at it from that side, there's not many of them, so we don't want to get choked.
Right.
So we want to extend it, yes. At the back of the building and the top sides of the building, we want to open more windows so we have natural, more fresh air coming in.
That's the same thing that happens
Yes, sir, on the
behind.
other side. Now, right behind you is a sewage. The ones at the back are not enough.
right.
We don't want you to get too full and choked early. So we need to do this one too.
Good, good. Very good. I'd like to take a quick inspection. I want to leave here before noon.
Yes, boss.
All right. Hey, manager. Is that not Ceci?
Good Lord.
What is she doing here?
I met her on site and I ordered her to go home.
Yeah, but how did she get here?
She lives around, sir.
Never mind.
take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy.